When your furry friend is diagnosed with pancreatitis, finding the right diet becomes crucial for their health and happiness. It's about striking the perfect balance between taste and nutritional value, ensuring the food is both appetizing to your dog and gentle on their digestive system. In this video, we will dive into the top 5 food for dogs with pancreatitis on the market. By the way, if you are looking for the best dog food, make sure to check out Sunday's Dog Food. For your convenience, I left a link to their websites in the description of this video. If you shop through my link, I will receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, which I will be very grateful for. And with that in mind, let's get started. First on my list is Sunday's Dog Food, priced at $69 for a 4-week supply. This exceptional dog food is a testament to quality and care, crafted in the USA with ingredients that would not be out of place on your own dinner plate. The manufacturers behind this product take pride in their USDA certified facilities, ensuring every batch meets the highest standards of safety and nutrition. With a menu featuring beef, chicken, and turkey recipes, each ingredient is chosen not just for its taste, but for its health benefits. Ingredients like quinoa, pumpkin, and kale are combined with beef or poultry to create a meal that's as nutritious as it is delicious. It's perfect for picky eaters thanks to the air-dried meats that mimic the texture of turkey treats, making each bite irresistible. For those furry friends with sensitive stomachs, the inclusion of pumpkin and ginger aids digestion, ensuring a smooth dietary experience. Antioxidants from gently air-dried fruits and vegetables support your dog's immune system, while natural sources of glucosamine and chondroitin promote joint health. The high omega fatty acids content ensures a shiny coat, showcasing the external benefits of an internal diet. Reviewers rave about the palatability and nutritional balance of Sundays, calling it a game changer for dogs with dietary sensitivities. Second, the Annamaet grain-free, lean, reduced-fat formula dry dog food is available starting from $24.99. It presents a holistic approach to your dog's dietary needs. This grain-free formula features a blend of chicken, duck, herring, and creating a high-protein meal that's free from GMOs and packed with flavor. Designed for dogs at all life stages, it's an ideal choice for those specifically needing a low-fat diet, such as dogs recovering from pancreatitis. Family owned and operated, the Annamaet has been committed to the health of pets for over 30 years, maintaining strict quality control over their artisanally produced batches. The lean formula includes L-carnitine to promote fat utilization and maintain lean muscle mass, alongside omega-3 fatty acids for a healthy coat. Despite its many benefits, one review noted that while the ingredients were initially appealing, their dog experienced some digestive issues, suggesting the need for careful consideration based on individual health needs. However, the overall reception remains positive, with many highlighting its fresh quality and noticeable health improvements in their pets. Third, the Eagle Pack Natural Dry Reduced Fat Dog Food costs $69.99 for a 30-pound bag. It is designed with adult dogs' nutritional needs in mind. It strikes a perfect balance between protein and carbohydrates to support weight loss and maintain a healthy lean body mass. Formulated without corn, wheat, or meat byproducts, it opts for natural ingredients like pork, chicken, and a variety of vegetables and fruits to deliver a meal packed with vitamins and minerals. The inclusion of glucosamine supports joint health, essential for dogs as they age, while omega fatty acids ensure a radiant skin and coat. Its formula is backed by over 30 years of trusted natural performance and nutrition, appealing to dog owners seeking a diet that supports their pet's health without artificial additives. Reviewers have praised the Eagle Pack for its ability to meet their dog's dietary needs, with some noting an improvement in digestion and stool quality. However, some dogs might find the taste less appealing, which underscores the importance of considering your pet's preferences when choosing their food. Fourth, the Purina EN Gastroenteric Low-Fat Canine Formula is priced at $54.98 for a 6-pound bag. It's a veterinarian-approved option for dogs requiring a low-fat diet. This formula is designed to promote nutrient absorption and support a healthy gastrointestinal tract, with a prebiotic fiber that nurtures beneficial gut bacteria. It's specifically crafted to meet the needs of adult dogs with digestive issues, offering a blend of easily digestible ingredients along with antioxidants for immune support. Although this product requires vet approval for purchase, it's a testament to its specialized formulation aimed at addressing specific health concerns. The reviews highlight its effectiveness in managing symptoms of pancreatitis, with many dog owners noting a significant reduction in gas and diarrhea, and an overall improvement in their pet's digestive health. Last but not least, the Nulo Adult Trim Grain-Free Healthy Weight Dry Dog Food starts at $21.99. It offers a high-protein, low-carb solution for dogs needing to maintain a healthy weight. Its grain-free formula, featuring deboned cod, turkey meal, and lentils, ensures your dog receives a meal rich in nutrients without unnecessary filters. The patented BC30 probiotic included in Nulo supports healthy gut flora, aiding in digestion and metabolism, which is crucial for dogs with sensitivities or pancreatitis. L-carnitine is another key ingredient, helping to transport fatty acids into mitochondria for energy, aiding in weight management and overall health. Reviews of Nulo highlight its palatability and the noticeable improvement in dogs' gut and digestive health, making it a favorite choice among pet owners seeking a nutritious and balanced diet for their dogs. Choosing the right food for a dog with pancreatitis is really important. All these options have something good to offer, from special ingredients to health benefits. But if we have to pick the best one, Sunday's dog food stands out. It's packed with human-grade ingredients, making it a top choice for keeping your dog healthy and happy. Don't forget, if you are looking for the best dog food, make sure to check out Sunday's Dog Food. For your convenience, I left a link to their website in the description of this video. If you shop through my link, I will receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, which I will be very grateful for. Thanks for watching.